Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of queen palms. These majestic trees can enhance any landscape with their graceful fronds. To start, ensure your palm receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. They thrive in well-draining soil, ideally with a slightly acidic to neutral pH level. Remember, queen palms can reach heights of up to 50 feet, so plan for ample space in your garden. Providing these fundamental conditions sets the stage for a healthy, vibrant palm. Proper hydration is crucial for queen palms, so water them deeply and consistently, particularly during extended dry spells. For optimal growth, fertilize your palm 3 to 4 times each year. Use a high-quality, slow-release palm fertilizer specifically formulated for these trees. Ensure the product contains essential micronutrients like magnesium, potassium, and iron, which are vital for preventing common deficiencies and maintaining lush, green foliage throughout the seasons. When it comes to pruning, less is often more for queen palms. Only remove fronds that are completely dead, brown, or severely yellowed. Avoid cutting green fronds, as this can stress the tree and remove valuable nutrients. Always use clean, sharp pruning tools to make precise cuts and prevent the spread of diseases. Regularly inspect your palm for signs of common pests such as mealybugs or scale insects, addressing any infestations promptly to protect your tree's health. Understanding common issues can help you keep your queen palm thriving. If you notice fronds turning yellow, it often signals a nutrient deficiency, usually potassium. Ensure your soil has excellent drainage, as overwatering is a frequent cause of root rot, which can severely damage or even kill your palm. For younger palms, especially in cooler climates, protect them from frost during colder months by covering them with burlap or a specialized frost cloth. Proactive care prevents many problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.